Have you ever wondered how the Rothschild family, one of the wealthiest in the world, amassed their colossal fortune? The story takes us back to the 18th century, unfolding a fascinating tale of shrewd business acumen, strategic alliances, and an uncanny ability to seize opportunities. Meyer Amschel Rothschild, a humble merchant from Frankfurt, Germany, laid the family's wealth foundation in the 1760s. Meyer started his journey dealing in rare coins and antiques, but he quickly recognized the potential in a far more lucrative business, banking. By providing financial services to the nobility, he began to accumulate substantial wealth. In the late 18th century, Meyer made a strategic decision that would catapult the Rothschilds to unprecedented heights. He sent his 5 sons to establish banking operations in the major financial hubs of Europe: Frankfurt, Vienna, London, Naples, and Paris. This move not only exponentially expanded their business but also allowed them to create a unique information network across Europe, giving them a significant competitive advantage. The Napoleonic Wars in the early 19th century proved to be a turning point for the Rothschilds. Nathan, the son stationed in London, provided financial support to the British government, funding the Duke of Wellington's army. The risk was high, but so was the payoff. When Napoleon was finally defeated, the Rothschilds had not only secured a significant return on their investment, but also gained immense political influence. Throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, the Rothschilds continued to expand their business empire, venturing into industries such as mining, winemaking, and real estate. They also held significant investments in various governments' bonds, further solidifying their financial stronghold. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. The family faced numerous challenges, including anti-Semitic persecution and the disintegration of their banking empire during the 2 world wars. However, their resilience and adaptability allowed them to rebuild and continue their wealth accumulation. In the modern era, the Rothschilds remain a formidable force in the financial world. While they no longer hold as much visible power as they once did, their influence and wealth extend far and wide, embedded in a diverse range of investments and industries. And there you have it. A fascinating journey that began in a humble merchant's shop in Frankfurt and grew into a global empire. The Rothschild story is not just about wealth accumulation, it's about strategic foresight, adaptability, and resilience. It's a testament to their ability to seize opportunities, navigate challenges, and turn adversity into advantage. And that, in essence, is the secret to the Rothschild family's enduring wealth.